And for our first issue to open this week's Bizwatch, the Department of Finance under Secretary Carlos Dominguez III is pushing for another round of tax and incentive reforms. At least one business group, the Management Association of the Philippines, is expressly supporting the proposed reform package. Our business reporter Zera Hernandez has the story.
Under the new tax and incentives reforms being pushed by the Department of Finance is the lowering of corporate income taxes. Management Association of the Philippines, or MAP, in a letter to the DOF, expressed support for this move, saying it would put the Philippines at par with other countries in the region.
Currently, our corporate income taxes are at 30%. At this rate, it is the highest among all other ASEAN countries. This is why lowering this to a more competitive rate is most welcomed by the Management Association of the Philippines. This initiative is under Package 2 of the government's comprehensive tax reform program. The rest of the story with our business reporter.
The MAP also agreed with the DOF on the need to rationalize and modernize the tax incentive system. Under the proposed tax reforms, the incentive system will be time-bound, performance-based, and not too complex. It is the association's position to widen the tax base and enforce better compliance. In its letter to the DOF, it cited the need to relax the bank secrecy laws, coupled with proper safeguards against abuse, as a necessary tool. This will also encourage more people, according to MAP, to avail themselves of a general tax amnesty. Other ASEAN countries with much lower corporate taxes than the Philippines are already contemplating on further reductions in their corporate income taxes. In the light of this, the MAP is pushing for this reform to be implemented not later than 2019. The association is also asking the DOF to commit to a timeline for the reduction of income tax rates to provide for predictability. This will allow decision makers on investments and map out their immediate business plans.
Just last March 20, the House Ways and Means Committee under Representative Dakila Carlocua, together with other co-authors, filed House Bill 7458. This bill seeks to reduce corporate income tax rates and modernize investment incentives, much like Package 2 of the DOF proposal.